Hey, to customize always on display on the OnePlus Nord CE for Lite 5G, first of all, you will have to open settings. Next, you will have to start scrolling and you have to just move into the wallpapers and style and select always on display. And right now, first of all, when you click here, you can actually change the contextual information. So for example, you can actually show the music player on the lock screen if you want. By clicking here, you can just enable it and it will be visible right here. Next, you can go for the more display settings. So right here, you can actually adjust these notifications like time, date, battery, and notifications. Below, we can also show the new notifications on the lock screen. And right here, when you go for these pictures, when you go right here, you can actually create your own photos, create your own text by selecting this. But below, we can also find some presets, like for example this digital clock. For example, you can change the theme of this clock. You can actually change the color of the captions right here. So we can actually customize this always in display like you want. And that's all for this video right now. Please subscribe to my channel.